No, thanks.
I thought you were working on that camera.
Actually, that is going to be the next question. What is the solution? Do you see a future, you see, for this specific young generations, upcoming generations, I should say?
The young people who are here, I would actually say to the young people here, and I have, I have a son who lives in Detroit, and I've always said to these young people, please forget about Somalia for now. Build your house, go to school, educate yourself, become a good citizen of where you live. Build your house. If you build your house, and we can be proud of you, then you can do something good for Somalia. But if you're not doing good here, you're not going to be of any help to us either.